Hello and welcome to today's video. We are going to do a bread sausage roll. So this is a very simple recipe with only 3 ingredients. We have the sausages, we have bread, and we have an egg. And that's all, guys. The only other thing that we're going to add is some seasoning, and we are going just to add it to the egg. For this recipe, the only seasoning we are going to add is just salt and white pepper. That's it. And white pepper. That's it. So let's start the process. Let's put our sausages on the side. So for the bread, my neighbor's chicken have decided that I'm not going to shoot, but we move on. So we start with the bread. We're going to slice and remove the edges like that, and all the corners. So you just use the inside of the bread. Yeah, so we are done with that part. Let's just remove the bread. So the next part is we're going to roll the slices like this, and make sure the bread that you're using you can roll. I had another bread. I tried to make the sausage roll. I'll just put a clip of the outcome somewhere in this video. Yeah, so before we progress, we mix this. As we mix, please subscribe if you haven't. Please like, comment, and share. Let's know the recipes that you want to watch on this channel. Yeah, so we are done with the mixing. So we have the sausage here. I hope you have watched our video on how to make the sausages at home. Then you roll it up like this and fold and put it aside. You do the same for the 4. So let me first finish the 4. So we have the 4 rolls already done, but you see they're already falling off. So we need to seal on one side to be able to cook. So we are going to put it here in the egg. See, it's kind of sealing. Yeah. So we can put 2. I think we start with 1. Then let me show you the next step. So we have our oil there. It's warm, but we are going to use it in low heat. So when you're putting the roll, you ensure you put this side that you have sealed first, so that the process of cooking can improve on the sealing. Because otherwise, if you start the other side, it's going to flip. Yeah, and you do the same for all of them. Once it cooks on that side, and we are cooking on low heat, so we have our rolls on the pan and we are cooking them on low heat to avoid speeding up the process. If you watched our previous video, you remember I talked on the meatball recipe. I talked about the silicone as compared to this. So you can see it has already created marks. This created marks. This is flawless. As you can see, our rolls are ready, and like I said, these tongs are amazing. See, no mess at all. So just turn the one side that is not fully cooked and allow it to cook. so that we have evenly cooked sausage rolls. So here is our final product. The sausage rolls are ready and really beautiful, well cooked, and of course we're going to enjoy them with our favorite barbecue sauce.